morning everyone. We are students of Shri Greater Noida. India is moving towards Viksit Bharat, a developed and self-reliant nation. True self-reliance begins at home. Even one damaged water pipe can disrupt the whole neighborhood. Water resources, an essential of life, is now turning into a source of concern. Even a small fault in a single pipe can disrupt the water supply of an entire area. Gas leaks too can prove to be quite dangerous. These problems not only pose a threat for public health but also strain resources, cause harm to environment and leave households with rising bills and unreliable supply.
As time is passed by, our dependence on electricity, water and temperature regulation is getting increased. But the resources that is used to produce this is getting depleted and it is now getting a concern. That is why we came across the idea of self-reliant houses that can reuse its energy very efficiently, can treat its water, can reproduce its electricity and can use the walls for temperature regulation. We need self-reliant houses that can manage the water, electricity and temperature regulation very efficiently so that every section of the society can reuse and can have the benefit of it all.
In our idea, first we have used a basic filtration unit of water underground the house so that no area will be used. First, the water will be stored and all the large solid will be removed so that upcoming pipelines will not be clogged. Then water will go through neutralizer so that pH of the water will be balanced. Then water will go to activated carbon layer in which the pores of carbon will absorb all the toxins and the contaminants from the water. Then the water will go to digester layer in which the microbes will digest the organic waste material and they will produce biogas from digestion and the solid waste will be stored below which will remove later. Then the water will go to reed layer in which is below the garden in which the roots of garden will purify the water and remove the toxins. Then water will boil so that all the microbes from digester layer and reed layer will be killed. Then water will be stored in case some upcoming emergencies, water will be stored and reused. Also, we have used a methanogen pot in which organic waste material from the kitchen will be under the methanogen bacteria in which they will, under the suitable environment, they will digest the organic material and produce biogas so that we can also reuse the waste from the kitchen.
Beside the water treatment plant, we also came across the idea of pipelines that has stretched all across the region of the walls. As you can see, there are two distinct pipes, the red one and the blue one. This is a dissection of the pipe in which the blue one will contain the cold water and the red one will contain the hot water. The cold water will be used for managing the temperature and cool the region during summers, and the hot water is the water that is after when the temperature is cool according to the laws of thermodynamics. Beside these two main pipes, we have also some smaller pipes that will be used for the dripper system on the plant, on the vertical garden, on the walls. These plants are not just for decoration but also for the transpiration that can also cool up the regions. And this way, we can do temperature regulation with the help of the water and without using ACs and other things that has fluorocarbons that can damage the environment.
Instead of wall paints or wooden planks, we have used solar tiles so it can capture energy and can further be used to generate electricity and be used in various domestic purposes. Solar panels can also be used to generate and store electricity.
Our project saves water, promotes clean energy, prevents wastage and supports our environmental protection, which are truly required for a self-reliant house. Because Viksit Bharat starts with Viksit Ghar, so we have made a self-reliant house, and if this comes in every house of our India, our India will become a Viksit Bharat that is smarter, sustainable and stronger. Thank you.